On top things where you suppose know, but you don't know because of one thing or the other. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, number one. You know say, thank God say they don't give him this name. You say, you know say Tompolino, not the name for Mickey Mouse for Italy.
Tompolino.
Tompolino. Oh, Jesus. I can imagine telling my nieces or my nephew, say, oh, you are wearing Tompolino?
No, I'll make you Tompolino cake.
I'll make Tompolino. Oh, please. Mickey Mouse is perfect, please, for the children. Just leave it for Mickey Mouse, I beg. All right, number two. You know, say the alphabet whether they use well now, letter E.
E or A?
E.
E. Because me too, I think say na E.
Me say na E.
Every small thing E. Every small thing E. Just check them out.
Why?
You not get anything with E, no they.
Every small thing E.
You know the small.
The E.
You know the thin.
That's just two out of how many things. So the letter that they use very well now E. Now the third one, you know, say the smallest bone for human being body day for ear.
Yes.
The
But
smallest-
I said they talk say for ear and a cartilage we get no big bone.
So maybe one small one does join body there.
If you be saying na E,
You want to check your ear?
I dey check am. No be say I want check out.
People talking about biscuit bone as in once you just get
Oui, woman ear.
No, God forbid me to take. Some people they chop even cow ear and not fit chop am, but you see people where they carry and they chop am.
No, it is sweet.
You don't chop cow
18
ear.
malu.
80 malu. All right, the last one. You know, say money na the number one thing where they make married people they argue.
They make them they break up if they talk argue. Money matter, serious matter. People go say, better now you too like money. You not get money marry first.
The point never say money make the world go round.
Oh shit,
Money makes the world go round.
She don't come
Money
with
makes the world go
inspiration.
round. Money makes the world go round and round. Money makes the world go round. Oh yes, money makes the world go round. Money makes the world go round and okay.
And I need another occupation.
Money, 1,000.
You know go sell.
Because
one time,
You know go sell.
let me see your hands up. Woo!
all the guys in the house who likes money, raise your hands up. Woo! All right, thank you so much for everybody who actually joined with us. And don't forget, if you follow us online, we're there on top Twitter, at Princess Ubi, at Betiana, at Oluwaskim P. From all of us, we'd always say make una get better day. But before we come up, we'd always talk, say, to talk, not be bad thing, but make you know what you talk about.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.